Some days are just quiet. Wala masyadong ganap, walang drama, pero peaceful. And I realized not every day needs to be productive or exciting. Minsan, sapat na yung araw na kalmado lang, yung nakakakain ka ng lunch ng tahimik, at nakakapagkape ka ng hindi nagmamadali. So, ayun nga, naisipan ko mag-vlog every day for a year and this is day 2. Gusto kong ma-document yung mga simpleng araw na ganito. Yung akala mo ordinaryo lang, pero sila pala yung mga araw na mahalaga kasi nagka-oras ka para sa sarili mo at sa pamilya mo. Minsan kasi sobrang dami nating gustong habulin. Nakakalimutan na nating huminga. Parang lagi kang may kailangan tapusin, may kailangan ma-achieve. Pero minsan, kailangan mo lang mag-pause at hayaan lang dumalo yung araw. Kaya today, I just let the day flow. Check up, lunch, coffee, pick up si Cloud, tapos uwi na. Simple lang, pero ang gaan. And maybe that's what peace really looks like. Yung ordinary day na puno ng maliit na bagay, pero ang dami mong ipagpapasalamat. So, if may araw kang ganito, tahimik, steady, wala masyadong ganap, be thankful. You're still moving forward, and that alone is something to be proud of. Keep going, keep breathing, and don't forget to notice the calm. So, paano? See you tomorrow for day 3.